everyone, welcome back to Computing Corner. Today we are discussing a topic that is very important for anyone seeking knowledge, whether you are a student or a professional or just someone hungry for information, and that is how to do research effectively. Uh, we will divide this lecture into 5 sections. So, in the first section, is understanding the basic of research. First, we define what is research. First thing is first. Let's start with the basic. So, what is research? In simple terms, research is a systematic process of explaining, analyzing, and investigating to uncover new knowledge, validate the existing information, and solve a specific problem. Okay, the second step in this section is setting a clear objectives. Before we start, it is crucial to have clear objectives. What do you want to find out? Define your research question or objective to guide your entire process. In the next section is planning your research. The first step in planning your research is choosing reliable resources. Not all resources are created equally. When you are researching for a credible and reliable source, peer-reviewed article, academic journals, or reputable website are the best friends. The second step is creating a research plan. Organizing your thoughts with a research plan. Break down the steps, allocate time, and make a checklist. This will keep you on a track and prevent information overloaded. This third section is conducting the research. Conducting research, we have 2 steps. First step is library versus online search. Decide where to conduct your research. First, decide where to conduct the research. Library offer a wealth of resources, while online databases provide convenience. Sometimes a combination of both is ideal. The second step is effective search strategy. Master the art of search. Use specific keyword, Boolean operators, and filter to refine your search result. This will save your time and yield more relevant information. And the fourth section is evaluating sources. In this section, the first step is accessing credibility. Critical thinking is a key. Evaluating the credibility of sources, check the author credential, publication date, and the publisher by discovering about bias and objectivity. The second step is cross-referencing information. Cross-referencing information from multiple sources. This helps ensure accuracy and provide well-rounded understanding of your topic. In the fifth and the last section is organizing and synthesizing information. The first step in this section is note-taking strategy. Develop effective note-taking strategy, whether it is digital or traditional. Find a method that works for both. For you, summarize key points and include source information. The second and the last step is synthesizing information. Organize your findings, group related information together, and identify patterns. This step is crucial for creating a coherent and well-structured output. And thank you for watching. This is a guide on how to research effectively. Remember, research is not just uh, about finding information, it is about understanding, synthesizing, and using that knowledge. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the